This video will cover how to email your instructors through Brightspace. Once you are logged into Brightspace, select the envelope icon at the top right corner. Then, click on Email. Once you're on the Compose New Message page, click on Address Book to select your desired contacts. Make sure you're filtered by System Contacts. Now scroll down to your contacts and click on Row to filter by row to quickly group your instructors together. Choose the select box for each of your instructors that you want to email, and then click on the two CC and BCC buttons to choose the fields you want your contacts to be. Finally, select Add Recipients. You'll see your contacts listed here, and now you can edit your subject and message. And when done, scroll all the way to the bottom and hit on Send. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, subscribe to our channel.